Hey, what's up guys? My name is Desi and today we are going to be doing the B Sneak Shop mystery box unveiling. This box drop was set at $100, so $100 for a 1 in 50 chance to win the Christian Dior by Air Jordan 1 Lows. So I don't think I won, I'm pretty sure, unless I open one of these boxes and I'm super surprised, but we're gonna open these boxes and find out. Once again, this is an unboxing, $100 unboxing. And let's begin. All right, Raph. Thanks, bro. All right, so when I ordered this last time, I bought 2 other boxes from Blake. I bought a $1,500 drop, and then I bought a $250 drop. Those both came in one singular box. What's cool about this drop is that actually when I got the mail today, I got 2 boxes. So I've been shaking them up all day. I haven't opened them yet. It's a complete surprise as to what's in there for me. And we got one more box. Toss it. Big bets. Yeah, so I'm excited to open these. Like I said, I have no idea what to expect what's in here. So without further ado, let's open these bad boys. Okay, all right. Oh my gosh. Yo, you guys gotta check this out. I'm dead right now. This is pretty cool though. All right, so before I show you guys what's in this box, I think I'm gonna explain a little scenario really quick. The shirt that I'm wearing right now, along with the shirt underneath, is actually from the last box I got from Blake, and that was the $250 box. This is a Supreme black long sleeve underneath, and then on top we got stacked with the Nike by Air Jordan Cactus Jack Heist in the Room tee. All right, but I'm telling you that because 1, I'm wearing it, but 2, I'm kind of fun. This is really funny. Look what I got. I have another Cactus Jack by Air Jordan t-shirt, the same exact one I'm wearing. It does look like it's actually in a different size. This is, I believe, an XL or a large. I'm pretty sure it's an XL that I'm wearing, but as you can see, this is the highest in the room, the same exact shirt I'm wearing right now, in a size small, dead stock, wrapped and all. This is actually pretty cool. I really love this shirt, and I wear it a lot, you know what I'm saying? I've worn it for some cool pieces, and every time it gets a really cool reaction. So I'm really into the Travis stuff. Anything by Jordan, by Travis Scott, I think is pretty fucking dope. So yeah, I have another one. So I actually got the 3rd. I have 3 versions of this shirt now. It's pretty cool. But all right, so that is box 1 undone. All right, box number 2, here we go. All right, guys. Before I open this, I'm really excited to see what's in this one. Like I said, I have that shirt, so let's see what's in this one. Once again, this is a $100 box drop from B Sneak Shop. I'm unboxing right now. Let's check her out. Bada bing, bada boom. Opening boxes is not my forte, believe it or not, so bear with me, people. Oh my gosh, yo. This is funny. I almost feel like I'm getting trolled right now. Okay, so guys, before I open up what's in this box, the hat's coming off. It is the moment of truth, all right? Let's open it. And you guessed it right. It is another Travis Scott Highest in the Room t-shirt, a 3rd or a 4th one to what I got now. This looks like, again, it is another size small. This is really cool though, because honestly, I have this shirt. I actually, when I got the $250 drop, I got 2 of this shirt. So this is now the 4th Travis Scott Highest in the Room shirt I've gotten. But what's really cool about this, and I feel like a lot of people that are actually buying these boxes, you know, especially consistently from Blake, they'll know it's more so, you know, it's nice when you get sent doubles of stuff because, you know, you can also resell that. So the street value on this, you know, it's not something that's super insane crazy, but it is something that, you know, not a lot of normal, you know, everyday people that are shopping in stores and stuff are going to be able to get their hands on. But all in all, this is pretty cool. I'm excited because, you know, this means money in the pocket at the end of the day, getting 2 of the same. So yeah, 2, I'll show you guys now. I'll show you both. 2 Highest in the Room Travis Scott, also the exact same one I'm wearing. So check it out. Yeah. Guys, this has been my unboxing of Blake Linder's $100 box. I'd like to say thank you to Blake first of all, and B Sneak Shop. These are really cool things that you do, and I love the fact that I don't know what I'm getting until it's here. It's really cool. It's exciting to me. Maybe I'm crazy, but that's just how I like to roll. I think surprises are cool. So yeah, I hope to do another one of these very soon. Whenever the next box is, you'll have one. So thank you guys for watching. Follow my Instagram at Deziworld. I'm also gonna post this on at Deziworld's Wardrobe on Instagram. The YouTube channel is Deziworld's Wardrobe. And yeah, the full YouTube video will be there for you. Also check out Blake. His Instagram is at bsneakshop, and also his personal profile is at Blake Linder. Shout out to Blake, shout out to Travis Scott. We have hella Travis Scott stuff here right now. All Travis Scott by Travis Scott by Travis Scott, even the puffs too. So thank you guys for watching this. This has been super fun to make and super fun to unbox. I can't wait for the next one. I love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye. Damn, bro, I got two of the same shirt. Holy